What is up, guys? Nightwolf here. You might know me from my other channels, but we're gonna get right into this. So this is gonna be a road to level 30. You might have saw how close I am to level 30, so that's why I'm doing this. So yeah, this is part 1 of road to level 30. Smash. I want to eat that guy so bad. Alright, give me that team. Aw. Alright, let me. Oh, yum. Oh, nope. Alright, he ate me. That's nice. Alright. Give me that, please. Yes. Thank you. Dang it. Alright. Let's go. Okay. It's good. This is good start. Oh no! Yes, thank you! Thank you, whatever your name is. Thank you for saving me. I kind of appreciate it. Give me all that. Are you trying to pop me or him? I'm guessing it's him.
The truth is, I'm really excited about getting back on the court.
Wow, that was intense. Alright, this is our last go. Unless we die quick. Like this.
I don't know. I'm worried that if I get in the game, I might hesitate. You know that if you hesitate for even a second, you're toast. I also know that I haven't played.
Give me all that.
What if I'm just not as good as I can?
No! Alright, that was too quick. We'll play again.
Once you get in a pressure situation, you're going to react just fine. It's like one of those things you never forget how to do. Like,
I help Wolf. I'm Nightwolf. Is he feeding me? Oh, crap. Dude, doesn't it? That guy killed me. Alright, that's the end of the video, guys. We didn't do really good, but you see how close I am to level 30. So, that's the end of the video. Comment, subscribe, and like. Alright. Nightwolf.